Now we are going to consider rational numbers. Now the set of rational numbers may be a little bit challenging at first, but once you realize what the rational numbers represent, it will be very easy for you to see it. As long as you are able to write a number in the form of a fraction, you are actually representing a rational number. And for example, if you have the number written as 2 and you are able to write that as a fraction, which is simply 2 over 1, then that 2 is considered to be a rational number. Now in the previous slide, you can see that we wrote it as p divided by q. And we said that p and q are any integers. But there's one limitation on the q value, and that is we cannot have that q value being equal to the number 0. Any number divided by 0 will give you an error. So at this level of mathematics, I would advise you not to waste your time trying to divide by the number 0. In CAPE level, yes, you will have to consider dividing by 0, and you would see all of that later on. But at this level, think of it now, at this point in time, as being impossible to divide by 0. So now that we understand what the set of rational numbers is, we simply now have to get a symbol to represent the set of rational numbers. And when I write the symbol, which is a capital Q, I usually write it like this. And it's much more distinguishable than my regular Q, which is just simply that. When you have to write the set of rational numbers, however, it becomes a little bit difficult because you cannot state every single fraction that it has out there, nor can you state it with such a pattern that you'd be able to list them. So what we do is we say that the set Q, which represents rational numbers, is going to be equal to, as I said, open bracket, close bracket, represents the set of p divided by q, such that, that's what this little symbol here means, such that p and q are integers, but it means also that q cannot be equal to 0.